Hello everyone, my name is Asawai Kashyap and from Guraya, and I am a student of NIFCA Institute in Fagwara that is famous for the culinary art skills, and they also provide many advantages regarding these arts. Like today we prepared two dishes. One of these the chicken butterfly and another one is the potato wedges, that is also known as the baked potato wedges, and they both has a different method of cooking. Like chicken butterfly is one of in which they use two method, like deep fry and shallow fry, and this one potato wedges prepared with the one method, that is the only the baked, that contains almost 20 to 25 minutes. And mostly I would like to describe about my institute, that is the name famously for the is the NIFCA Institute. They also provide a lot of things related to the studies and also related for the entertainment as well. And the atmosphere of this institute is the very good, and I should would like to recommend for all the students that are also interested in the cooking and as well as the fashion designing department as well. So thank you so much.